How I Escaped a Life-Threatening Surgery. Fuji legend OBESERE shares his story. Before we continue, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. In a recent interview, renowned Fuji musician Abbas Akande OBESERE opened up about a harrowing experience that nearly led to life-threatening surgery. Known for his energetic performances and unique style, OBESERE shared how he narrowly avoided a major medical procedure that could have changed his life forever. According to the veteran singer, he began experiencing severe pain and discomfort a few months ago. Initially dismissing it as fatigue, he sought medical advice when the pain became unbearable. After several tests and consultations, doctors recommended immediate surgery to address what was believed to be a critical condition. OBESERE explained, however, that he was hesitant about going under the knife and decided to seek a second opinion. It was during this process that he met a specialist who offered a less invasive treatment plan. Through a combination of therapy, medication, and lifestyle adjustments, the musician's condition improved significantly, making surgery unnecessary. OBESERE credits this miraculous recovery to divine intervention and the expertise of the medical team. He also expressed deep gratitude to his fans and loved ones who supported him through the ordeal. The musician urged everyone to prioritize their health and seek multiple opinions before making major medical decisions. For more updates and exclusive interviews like this, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more compelling stories. Don't miss out.